Well, today's the day. Today is the camper bathroom reveal, and I am very excited to show you how it turned out. I think it turned out beautifully, and I really am excited to show you everything that's happened in there. Currently, I am ironing the shower curtain that's going to go in the bathroom. As you well know, anything that's cotton needs to be ironed. And I am one of those rare people that actually enjoy ironing. I really do. And I find that it's calming and relaxing, and I've always loved to iron. I know it's not something that we have to do a lot these days because so many things are permanent press. And, you know, people just have they don't really want to take the time to do the ironing anymore. And honestly, I rarely have time to iron either. Typically, when I'm ironing, it always has something to do with home improvement. I'm usually ironing new drapes or curtains or shower curtains or things like that more than I would be clothes. So at any rate, I'm going to get all the wrinkles out of this shower curtain, and then I will be able to show you how beautifully I think it's going to look hanging up in the camper. Hello, I'm Denise, and welcome to my bathroom, camper bathroom reveal. It took a little bit of time to get here and quite a bit of elbow grease and hard work, but I think that it was worth it. And I love the way that this bathroom turned out. I think it turned out beautifully, and I cannot wait to show it to you. So, one of the things that I want to start out mentioning is I spray painted a lot of the original features that came in this camper. This medicine cabinet is original, and I know you can't see it here, but I will show you. I have a towel ring and the original door pulls. They were all done in a really bright gold, and I decided to spray paint them all black. So I did that. And one of the things that a lot of people do when they do a makeover in a camper is they take the medicine cabinet out and they opt to put in like a real pretty decorative mirror, you know, to hang here, which I think, you know, looks really nice aesthetically, but I'm also all about function. And I didn't want to lose the storage because I feel in a camper that storage counts, it matters. You want as much as possible. So if I open this up, I can show you, you know, I have lots of storage in here for toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorants, any sort of, you know, cosmetics, toiletries of any kind. So I thought it was worth it to paint it, spruce it up, and leave it in here. So I also purchased on Amazon this really cute little black faucet, which also complements the rest of the matte black finishes in this bathroom. So I'm going to show you some of the rest of the highlights. Okay, so one of the first thing that I did do in this bathroom is I bought some white epoxy tub and tile paint, And it came in a kit, and you mix the hardener, and I painted the whole shower surround and the bathtub. And I think that it really, really turned out beautifully. It looks nice and bright, and it honestly looks just brand new. Also, I chose to paint the sink. This is the original sink that came with the camper. And so I also used the white epoxy paint to paint the sink and the countertop. And it looks brand new. And I also painted the toilet as well. These were all very yellowed. So I also chose to paint the cabinetry in the bathroom green. And I also chose to hang in the bathroom these super cute prints of some lighthouses because we live in Michigan. These are all lighthouses from Michigan, and they are ones that I have been to. So we have the old Mission Point Lighthouse. We have Grand Traverse Lighthouse, and we have the old Mackinac Point Lighthouse. I also have 2 more prints inside my home of Point Betsy and Shuswap. But I really cannot wait to add to my collection, because now that we have our camper, I hope to do a lot of camping and visit even more lighthouses. And I visited a lot more. I just don't have prints of all of them, Tawas and lots of other ones as well. But at any rate, I think that everything turned out beautifully in this bathroom. I am really happy with it. I bought this super cute shower curtain, and this was also from Target. And I just thought it looked really cute and boho, you know, because it's mostly white, but down at the bottom, it has this super cute, you know, couple stripes. And then it has the really cute little fringe, which I just think really makes this thing. So real happy with the way that all of this has turned out. Now, the only thing that we still have left to complete in this bathroom is the flooring. But what we're going to do is we're going to put the flooring in last after we have the whole rest of the camper finished. And it's going to be a nice vinyl flooring that's waterproof and very easy to clean up. And so that'll be one of the last things we do. So just wanted to put that in as a little side note. Abby Lulu, what do you think of the bathroom? It's our bathroom reveal. What do you think? How did our tub turn out? Oh, yes, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah, what do you think of the wallpaper? Yeah? You and me, Mom? Yes, my Emmy Lulu. All right, so Emmy and I, and Rick too, say, hold on, Emmy, say stay tuned for our kitchen renovation, which is coming up, which is coming up next. I love you, baby. I hope that you enjoyed the video of the camper bathroom reveal today. So if you like what you see and would like to see more videos that I'm going to be creating and posting of the camper, please subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be notified of any new videos that have been posted, and like as well. Next, I'm going to be starting on the kitchen in the camper, and I have some really, really cool ideas for that, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So until next time, I'll see you soon.